I'm not telling it. Oh my god! Now what? Wait, I'll get your side.
Oh my
I'll
god.
get your side. Just get off. It's hanging by a hook. Normally that's bad, but here, help me lift the bike up.
What am
I can't hold the bike for myself.
Just hold it for a sec.
No, hold on.
Ow, that's very
who
nice.
would you rather do? Alex would be Sawyer. Alex on pieces. Okay, here, take that time. Can you hold it up?
Like,
Just hold it, hold it. Get it up.
Look at my shot.
Please stop.
Oh god. I'm so weak. No, Rachel, hold on. Hold on. Ow. Oh god. Oh god. Box is breaking. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh
No,
my god.
it's okay, it's okay.
Oh god. I don't.
It's okay, it's okay. Just hold it on. Oh yeah.
I can't grip it anywhere.
Oh my god.
So heavy.
Hold on, wait, I know what to do.
No arm muscle.
It's like, it weighs less than a cheerleader.
Cheerleaders? You have. No. That's way different.
Wait, here, pick it up flat. Oh my god. Wait, hold your side.
I'm so weak.
Hold your side. Hold on, wait, hold it like that. Oh my god. There, okay.
Oh god, Rachel!
Oh, something's in my eye. Leah! Oh my god, there's blood everywhere! It's okay, Leah. I conveniently have a band-aid in my pocket.
Fix it!
Oh, it's not gonna be big enough.